We are seeing a collapse in trackable website interactions. For 20 years, digital marketing relied on a verifiable link between a search query and a site visit. That link is breaking, leaving a growing gap in our reporting. Many properties are currently experiencing a sharp decline in standard organic search traffic. However, this is often offset by an unexplained surge in direct and unassigned traffic pools within Google Analytics. The users are still arriving, but the data describing their origin is missing. This creates a contradiction in traffic quality. B2B firms and high-consideration services are reporting an influx of pre-qualified, educated leads ready to convert. These users clearly researched the brand, yet analytics platforms show no record of their journey. This data loss is driven by the growth of AI search engines like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. These platforms act as mediators, summarizing your content for the user, but rarely passing the source information along when that user clicks through. These analytic systems are not malfunctioning. They are simply built for a web where refers are the standard. AI models route users through internal environments that traditional tracking was never designed to see. Standard SEO tracking is no longer sufficient. To understand how these models impact a business, we have to identify signals that exist outside of traditional click-based reporting. Tracking continuity relies on the HTTP referrer header. This is the signal that tells your website exactly which URL the user was visiting before they arrived at yours. The first point of failure occurs in mobile apps. Native iOS and Android applications for platforms like ChatGPT and Perplexity suppress referrer data entirely. Clicking an in-app citation link causes the session to register as a new, direct visit. This schematic shows how data goes dark. Copy-pasting an AI-provided URL into the browser generates no referrer header, registering as direct. Finally, browser privacy standards strip the remaining data, removing path information and leaving no source. Between app suppression, copy-pasting, and browser privacy, roughly 60 to 70% of AI-driven traffic is invisible to standard tracking. It exists, but it is categorized as unknown. Google released an update on May 13, 2026 to address this, the Native AI Assistant channel. It is designed to automatically recognize and group traffic from major models like ChatGPT and Gemini. This update replaces the complex manual regex rules marketers previously used, providing a structured way to see AI sources directly within acquisition reports. However, the native channel is not a complete fix. It still requires a referrer header to work. If that header was stripped by a mobile app or lost in a copy-paste, GA4 will still fail to categorize the visit correctly. This list highlights the scenarios where the update provides no coverage. Relying on this native channel alone will lead to significant underreporting of how AI search is actually contributing to your business goals. The GA4 update is a helpful baseline, but it is only one part of the solution. Seeing the full impact of AI requires a shift in how we analyze search behavior. Last-click attribution is increasingly unreliable in a fragmented ecosystem. Instead of trying to find a single perfect tracking link, we must look for a combination of signals that indicate influence over time. This is the 2026 AI Attribution Stack. It's a multi-layered system designed to capture direct signals and identify correlations where they don't exist. We begin by combining native channels with server-side Google Tag Manager. By using a platform like Stape, you can route tracking events through your own subdomain, which helps preserve first-party cookies and bypasses some browser-level data stripping. Layer 3 involves monitoring AI bot activity. We use log analyzers, like Screaming Frog, to check server logs for crawlers like GPTbot. This identifies when an AI is indexing your specific pages, which is a clear sign of visibility even before a user clicks. Layers 4 and 5 focus on correlation. We look for spikes in direct traffic to specific service or FAQ pages. We then compare those spikes to Search Console data to see if branded search volume is increasing, which often suggests that an AI recommended your brand to a user. There is a significant data warning for anyone using this correlation method. Google confirmed an impression bug in Search Console that lasted from May 2025 through April 2026. This means any year-over-year comparisons involving that period will be technically inaccurate. No single platform can provide a complete view of the user journey today. By analyzing these signals in aggregate, we can reconstruct the influence of AI search, building a more accurate picture of how users discover your brand.